In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add new users to Microsoft Teams in a quick and simple way. Whether you're managing a group for work, creating a space for your classmates, or you simply want to bring more people into your team for better communication, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, go to the search bar at the top. You'll see an option labeled Invite People inside Teams. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. When you click on it, a pop-up window will appear with a shareable link that you can use to invite others. Next, if you prefer the second method, click on the chat icon on the left side of your screen to enter the chat section. Below the chat list, you'll see a tab called Invite to Teams. Click on it, and again, you'll see the same pop-up window with a shareable invitation link. You'll see several options that help you send this link through different platforms. You can share it through WhatsApp, Snapchat, email, or any social media app. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Everything is designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing confusing to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the person you're inviting has access to the email or social media account you're sending the link to. Ensure your own Teams app is updated and check that you're connected to the internet. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've copied and shared the invite link, the person on the other end just needs to click it. After that, they'll be taken to Microsoft Teams where they can log in or sign up and then accept your invitation. Once they join, they'll be able to send a message back to you through the chat window. After that, you should be able to see their message appear as a notification, confirming that they've joined your team without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to greet them or send a quick welcome message. Taking this extra step helps keep things friendly and organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add new users to Microsoft Teams easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to add people to their team space. Why not make someone's day easier?